Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the Cricut Maker 4 and Easy Press 3 Machine Combo Bundle, the ultimate duo for all your DIY crafting projects. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crafter, this combo makes creating personalized t-shirts, tote bags, hoodies, and even sublimation projects easier than ever. First up, the Cricut Maker 4. This cutting machine is super versatile. It can cut over 300 types of materials including paper, vinyl, fabric, and leather. It has a fast mode, which means less waiting and more crafting. The adaptive tool system automatically adjusts for material thickness so you get precise, professional cuts every time. Now, pairing it with the Easy Press 3, which has a 9x9 inch heating plate, allows you to transfer your designs flawlessly. The temperature control is super accurate, making it perfect for iron-on vinyl, infusible ink, and sublimation projects. Say goodbye to uneven heat or burnt transfers. This press does it all. What I love most is how user-friendly this combo is. The Cricut Design Space app lets you customize designs on your phone or computer, then simply cut and press. It's ideal for making gifts, custom apparel, or even starting your own small craft business. Quick pause. Imagine gifting a custom hoodie or tote bag with your personal touch. That's the magic this combo brings to your projects. This bundle also comes with a variety of iron-on materials, so you can start creating right out of the box. It's compatible with DIY t-shirts, tote bags, hoodies, and more. The combination of precise cutting and perfect heat transfer ensures every project looks professional. So if you're looking to step up your crafting game, the Cricut Maker 4 and Easy Press 3 combo bundle is a must-have. Don't wait, make your DIY projects effortless, fun, and professional.